look at that crack. Do you remember that knocking sound we heard on this $1,000 truck Ethan bought at night?
Yeah, I'd say that's a tiny bit of rod knob.
So after tearing everything apart, Ethan actually found that the flex plate was cracked. So this thing does not have a rod knock. I know it sounded like a rod knock, but it's not. So super cheap and easy fix, except for we gotta rip the transmission out just to get this thing out. So it looks like we were right about something, huh, Ethan?
There was some clicking going on. I don't know what it was, but it went away.
Yeah. Want to give her a little bit of little room? Hold on. Dude, she's rowdy. She's ready for action. There's an aggressive clicking up front.